Hey, today I'm going to share with you my recipe for sausages with red onion gravy. Welcome to the Old Git Does Stuff channel. Today I will show you my recipe for sausages with red onion gravy, and if you stick around to the end I'll show you my mint and garam masala mash, which I find is a perfect accompaniment to this dish. This is a little different onion gravy and is more like a chutney, but if you want a more traditional gravy, just add more liquid. And if you like what I do on the Old Git Does Stuff channel, please subscribe. For this recipe, you will need 1 to 1.5 onions per person. These are large onions, so I'm just doing one. 2 or 3 cloves of garlic per person. These are large cloves of garlic, so I'm only doing 2. Black pepper to season. Butcher's sausages. These are pork and Bramley apple. They are lovely. Pork stock cube. Tomato puree and red wine for the gravy, and mint and garam masala for the mash. As usual, just cut onion in half, take off the outside layer and slice as thinly or as thickly as you like. For the garlic, top, tail, that skin come off perfectly, and just slice quite robustly. This will cook for ages in the pan with the onion and turn into almost like a roasted garlic. Right, I'll see you at the pan once you've done your chopping. We have a nice hot pan on the hob, a good slug of olive oil, in with our onions and garlic. You don't need to worry about it, it's on such a slow heat that it really will not burn. And season with a liberal dose of black pepper. These are starting to cook now. These will take about an hour to cook. I'm going to peel some potatoes, put some music on and relax. As you can see, we're an hour in and these onions are onion and garlic and pepper deliciousness. I'm just going to put these out to one side now. Put the pan back on the heat. And sausages in. I'm also, at this point, going to kick this up the arse from 2.5 to 4 and drain some of this oniony, garlicky oil. We don't really want it in the onions, but this will help flavour everything, as you'll see at the end. Also, it's time to put the potatoes on. I shall see you in a few minutes. Right guys, the sausages are done. We just take those out and place them to one side. And we don't need any of this fat that's in there. So we will just take that off. Any bits in the middle of the pan, that will just add flavour to the gravy. And we'll just deglaze that with some water now. And you'll very soon see this change colour. And we shall add a splash of wine to this now. And some tomato puree, about a teaspoonful. Also, our stock cube. Look at that, that's just turned a lovely dark colour. We should just mix this in a bit and return the sausages and onions to make a lovely gravy. We'll just let this reduce a bit and let all the flavours of the onion and the garlic and of the sausages permeate into that gravy. I shall see you back soon. Right, this is pretty much done. I'm just going to put this to one side while I sort out the potatoes. For those of you who are lactose intolerant, I always mention nut juice. It's good for you. It says so on the packet. So here goes. Nutty and slightly salty. I think that would work. Right, mint and garam masala mash. We'll start off with a couple of knobs of butter, a slug of milk, as again I'm using proper milk, not nut juice. To that we will add as level as we can get it, teaspoon of garam masala, and a good heaped teaspoon of mint. We should just let that come together as the butter melts. Right, we shall add our potatoes back and give them a damn good thrashing. Bear in mind, you can't over mash potatoes. The more you work them, the creamier they go. There we go, ready to serve my sausage and red onion gravy with mint and garam masala mash. Enjoy. I hope you'll agree this takes bangers and mash to a different level. I really hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and if you did, please comment below. Also, your thoughts on nut juice. Do you or don't you? I really would like to know. And subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell if you would like to see more videos like this. Follow that link to another Old Git Does Stuff recipe. Well, that's all from me guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.